Do you know what the single most important predictor is of how you will show up in a relationship? It's actually your attachment style. Now, what is an attachment style? Well, in order to answer that question, we first need to understand what attachment theory is. Attachment theory is rooted in the work of Mary Ainsworth, a developmental psychologist. Dr. Ainsworth is known for the stranger experiment. In this study, her team gathered a group of mothers and toddlers. They measured how the child explored their environment in the presence of the caregiver, in the absence of the caregiver, and in the presence of a stranger. The findings of these studies were then taken by Dr. John Bowlby, a British psychologist, to develop attachment theory. Attachment theory posits that as human beings, we are genetically wired to form bonds. More importantly, the bonds that we form as children with our caregivers have a tremendous impact on how we perceive and how we respond to romantic relationships. There are 4 main types of attachment styles. There is the secure attachment, the avoidant, the anxious or ambivalent, and disorganized. Now, I'll be going into each of these attachment styles in separate videos. In the meanwhile, if you want to learn more about attachment theory and relationships, I highly recommend you read the book Attached by Dr. Amir Levine.